Alright guys, so this is another weekend, and you know what I usually do is every weekend, Saturday specifically, I like to go through the market to see the projection for the next week, do the analysis, screenshot them, and sometimes make a record of them so that by next week, by the next coming week, it will be a guide, it will serve as a guide. Okay guys, so this is my chart, and this video is going to be focused on currency pairs actually. Okay, not to be focused on currency pairs. Basically we'll be looking at Euro USD, BTC, GBP JPY, and gold, and also Bitcoin. I mentioned it. So here is Euro USD. You can see I already have an analysis here, my top down analysis. So you can see price pushed up from here up to here, here, then dropped, pushed up again. Now it has broken structure here, came back for a retest, dropped, went back again, retested this level. Now it's dropping. You're supposed to make a drop to at least this level or maybe below it, but you can see that it has not completed this level, and I'm in a trade already. I couldn't close the trade and the market closed. So looking at it, you see that price is most likely going to retest this place back and continue dropping. All right, so I want to target this area. So let's go to daily time frame. You see this. So this is the daily time frame. You can see price has been bullish. Now it's expected to come down. Now on the daily, we might be looking at this level or this level, okay, for a reversal. Any one of them can. So for that, the only thing for me to do is just to catch this short move to make sure that this move completes, that this move is completed up to where this first lower swing ended, right? That's it. So that's why we have this on H4, and you can see the trend line. Price is bearish, so we expect it to continue bearish after the retracement. Then on the H1, you can see there it is clearer. First of all, you can see we had a trend here. Let me draw the trend line here. So we had a trend line that got broken right here. Just look at this. It's a trend line here, and it got broken after price got to the point of interest. This was our point of interest here. This was our point of interest here. So price tapped into it. You see, price tapped into it. So after price tapped into it, started dropping, and then it broke this trend line here. Now it went back to retest for a retest, and you can see it dropping. It's dropping. So this level has been broken. Okay, so this support level has been broken here. So what we want to see is price to go back and dip into this other block just to feel this imbalance. Okay, so dip into this other block and then it will drop to this level. Now I want you to take note of one thing. See this other block here. You must be careful of it when price gets there. Okay, so if possible, that is where your TP should be. If possible, the TP should just be here. Okay, that's how we do sometimes, because it can get there and reverse. You never can tell. So you just have to pay closer attention. So in a nutshell, we want to trade one price to reverse to this point, and then we'll sell up to here. All right, so that's it for Euro USD. Now let's see BTC. Started from the daily. Normally I do the top down analysis. That's what I do, top down analysis. There is a reason for that. It helps me get a general overview of what's happening. Now when I want to analyze like this, I like to mark the high, the most recent high, and then the most recent low, because that's low. Those two places are the areas of concentration at the moment. Okay, so I want to concentrate on them. So we have this other low here, so we are going to mark, right? I mark them. So we have this level also. Let me also mark. I have this level here also. So obviously Bitcoin is most likely going to come down to this level. Do you see that? Now if I should apply my trend line, I don't know, let me see what it will give me. It is my trend line. So if price comes and breaks this trend line without respecting this zone here, this level here, if it breaks it, wait for the test, and then we'll sell up to this key level. If it breaks this one, then here. Okay, so that's just it. However, you have to see confirmations, okay, before we trade down. Because BTC has been bullish, so we need good confirmations. Okay, so here, where price is currently, this is what we should have done earlier. Like this trade should have been taken. This is where price came. You can see that, and at this other block, price reversed. So the price is dropping already. If we should retrace back to it to sell again, okay, we want to sell to this point and see whether price will break and retest it or not. If price will break and retest, we'll not look for sell again. Okay, so on BTC, we are bearish. We are bearish on BTC. Okay. Now for another one, let's see GBP/JPY. Okay, daily time frame. Let's start from daily time frame. Let's get the high and the low. So this is the most recent high, and this is the low right here. Okay, so saying this, price is obviously in the retracement. You can see that price has been pushing up here, and then now it's in the retracement. It's retracing. So what we are going to do now is scale down to hit 4 time frame. So what you see here is price is trying to drop all the way down, possibly here. Okay, so we are looking at these points. So as we are looking at, however, let's still mark our key levels. You can see this level is a good support level. Resistance turned support. It was a resistance here, it was a resistance here, and then price jumped it here, the gap, tested and pushed up. So price has come here now, it's struggling. So we want to see a breakout on the retest, right? That would be on Monday. Consider breakouts and retest, good and fine. Yeah, so I think we are still the same thing. We want to see the breakouts. No breakouts, no trade. Breakout and retest strategy. So we have this pattern forming here. This pattern is forming here. Okay, this is a chart pattern, so it is forming here. And then there's another one here, the upper one. Here is the upper one. So we want to see breakouts right below this line, and then we want to sell it. We'll sell it all the way down. Sell it all the way down to this point. Okay, so this is what we want to see from GBP/JPY. What I want from GBP/JPY. Okay, so let's look at the next one. Let's look at I think gold. This is quite simple, guys. This is quite simple and straight to the point. So this is gold, and you have to mark the high and the most recent high and low. This is a high, and then this is a low here that has been printed. Now just for the sake of let's mark this one as well. In our targets. So H4, on H4 we have a similar thing here. Yep, and then so we're expecting price actually to drop. Expecting if price did not break this key level, I'm expecting it to drop. Yeah. If price did not break it, but it can decide also to break it and go and fill this gap. You see that's on Monday. We confirm it on Monday, take it trade. If it's here, I'll take it $3, otherwise. If it's here, we'll also take it there. So confirmation will come. And then we want to hold and ride it all the way down. So sweet, right? So guys, this is just it. It's not that difficult, it's not that deep, something very easy. Alright? This is how you start finding your trade idea for the week. So next week is going to be a banger. If you are selling for the first time, follow me and subscribe to my YouTube channel and join my Telegram channel all for free, okay, to learn more trading knowledge. This is a Trade, reassuring you that it can only get better. Goodbye.